Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to share a post using a QR code on Instagram. Let's have a look. First, open Instagram app. Make sure your Instagram app up to date. Scroll the home feed to find out the post you would like to share. Tap the three dots in the corner of the post you want to share. Then tap QR code. The post QR code will appear on the screen. People can share this QR code with their smartphone's camera to see this reel. You can tap the colorful circles under the QR code to change the code's color before saving it to your device. Tap Save QR code. Now open photo gallery from your phone and open the QR code. Tap Share button to share your saved QR code. You can use any media to share this QR code. Now people can scan this QR code using their smartphone's camera. So these are the steps to share a post using a QR code on Instagram. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.